In this final lesson of Unit 1, we will quickly cover past participles in French. The past participle in French is formed by removing the infinitive ending of the verb, and then, depending on if it's er, ir, or re, you add e, I, or u, respectively, to the end of each type of verb. So for parler, we have parler. For choisir, we have choisi. For vendre, we have vendu. And it's that simple. That's all you have to do for forming regular past participles in French. As I always say, I would very much appreciate it if you could please do me a favor and share this video series with your friends and teachers. And that is all for now, so until next time.